NBC7 San Diego News at 5.
Okay, so we usually don't talk much about tax deadlines until we start to creep up until April 15th, but there is another tax deadline coming soon.
Might want to put it on your Christmas list here. If you want to take advantage of something that Consumer Bob, is here to talk about.
Yeah, really, you can buy those presents, and then maybe between Christmas and New Year's, you better jump on this, because time is running out. I mean, tax laws change, and some popular deductions may actually expire at the end of the year. Some of that depends on Congress, but why wait?
In the law, there are several deductions and credits that may sunset after this year, depending on what Congress does to act on them. As we have them now, today, act now before the year ends to take advantage of them on your 2011 return. Are they going to come in 2012? We'll see.
Rafael Tolino with the IRS says you also want to make sure you make your charitable donations before the end of the year. If you want the deductions for April, you have to donate now. It could be a check to a registered charity or donating clothes, a car, what have you, to a thrift store. Now, if you own a small business, now is a good time to spend that extra cash.
Make those expenses now. Buy any kind of equipment for your business, any tools, anything that's going to help your business. Marketing materials, stamps, even office supplies, paper, anything that you're going to use for the following year, buy it before year's end.
Tax attorney Ronson Shamoun says there are lots of deductions as expenses that impact your taxes, and that you should talk to a professional before you make final tax decisions. But again, you have to actually make that contribution. Just saying you're going to make it or writing December 31st on a check is not enough. You've got to get it in their hands
and
before the end of
you
the
mentioned
year.
some of the deductions that are going away at the end of the year, perhaps.
No, there are some very real ones. Right now, a teacher can claim a deduction for some of the money they spent outside the classroom, up to $250. You can deduct qualified mortgage insurance as a mortgage interest. Also, you can deduct state sales taxes on your federal form. For instance, if you bought a car in 2011, there's a place on your tax form to write off the sales tax. Those deductions are due to expire at the end of the year, and as we heard earlier, there's a lot of controversy whether those things will be re-upped or not. So take advantage of it now.
Thank you, Bob.
Thanks, Bob.